Akwaba, Benis Akwaba.
Thank you.
It is saying,
Yami Adom.
Na holiday you didn't say. And now Tim Dean.
Oh, holiday.
What choco? Okay, you didn't come on. Now ye and I say, oh, you're lesbian in Moody away.
Make us say, for now, dear, Majai, but now me, and as you say, Majai.
Until now, we know. Boy and Komoka Krahao. Quite been how far so obey.
That was way back SHS from 207. And I me admission was Tasco.
Yeah.
Nti Tasco me call no. And I games. Tina Tasco na ne hosti. Sa games no. And me dey say me share netball na girl be approaching me say ne ho say from different school. Fiasma ne ho say nti sa dey me helping it out and I made a call Adom or wash it down me money pant in the pad say ombo. So after that, you know, that girl became my friend. Anytime you mark when you be a school or bar ebe share me. So you mark when you be and or toss some and you maybe just to show appreciation.
Obano.
Just to show appreciation. Yes, I might quite be now or say or percent or the Miko Chiane family. Na miss okay yeah kwana no si ni parent to quanti sadia yenko lodge in a hotel for some time ni parent ba na yeko the hotel no takwade asempa hotel e ho na ecology everything started from there.
And yes she say
oh she obi sam say me wo boyfriend and I'm say boyfriend dey me will be as at that time no na ono me hometown. But na me nene ye she ti o make sure say bibia me hia o hotel bia me nsa ebeka na oton nsa no me no me kasa me ye fan of nsa me shada mpensa so ye ne dance or ye ne din at the end of the day no me no me na mabo na me sorry na wabo me neke na bisan so ye me dey say ordinance wo me when I'm so mama ye boni because I'm from a Christian home. Me catch you and say wa mama ye boni no me ko and I think me nko ne family bi na me so me ko de me ko but or convince me I say me ko ekra na I wanted to report the girl to the family but me ankasa na me sha bia me can with these graces so I have to keep quiet.
Nti ba ko na ade to aso sa
baako no ye no ye ma me coffee no no su coffee okojam kana me coffee no so no oyo friend me wo phone so yeah
your friend come number
oh sometimes we have sex chat on phone
so na mudi odon komo
patrai
na mo nemo ho da
na like my bone ke na me da ho no so e da ho
oh yeah there what saro ye there we imagine na so ye there
patrai say
sa na o da ho na ye there na mo ke kan dey nsem
Obeka say oh ordinance she ni pussy ni munti me so me fa me san she me pussy ni mu then she be asking me how I'm feeling I say oh it's good yeah
ti ana mo ye and we are there na unya
oh say on ho ba oh like you
enjoy
down now unsa eshem no you feel it that like unsa eshem I say one be ma
okay so you now combine me man mad and I say oh purely say bank
oh as at that time no na me ye bi da nti me mean to me and
at what age
at me why is as in na me was 15 16 yeah
and out room do for free ss obi ebu say adwene mu ka yade ana say normal obi a we normal bia betima say
oh na me normal na me normal and I make us say me hu na say there is spiritual something back in it because me to me free precope say me ne me yanko ba ko out abra yankopon ambo ne sa yankopon boy say oba ne bema enda but say oba ne oba eda na bema ne bema eda it no normal
but say na oda na ye ode
na ye me de but me nka say spirit bi ta etri
nti mutina be u change mana
Pachai.
a man type of mabe escafo inyafo adwadifo asofo a mabe na no mo go school for
as at me was school ni there na me colleagues na me no mo, but I had 2 girls. That is one from Fiasek and one from my school.
Ana mo yes adina
Pachai.
If ana mushi atai sir.
Oh, sometimes during entertainment we be akono, then we go high somewhere. Na ye.
Na mo nanfofo no binim.
Oh, omo mama obi ehu, nobody saw it because obi hu ana wa call reporting to the house mistress or any teacher. Yeah, you make sure so obi akwa entertainment and we go hide somewhere. Even your cramp na we go and hide in the class now. Yeah, cause some of them in our entertainment.
Nti SHS na sa de no sha se free. Nti e wo hopa.
E hopa but ye because it's not legalized in Ghana nti pese ya obi behu. Ti ye esie sumase.
Nti wo hu bia hu a na e adwuma kro no.
Mpachwan.
I see, but mami musa we nyina na wafo ya we.
Oh no mo nyawe cause na me even if ye makwan pona me ba fia na me hu kwan me fa so a me opina atre me mame cause na me pese me e bia me kan I'm scared say obey me bibia na say so me disie ye man kan kire no.
Well, if you've just joined us Miniaba Benis and I'm in the Christian command can you know a lesbian and they or say wajin ho free say name or person share some of the challenges some of the issues sa lesbianism is in home. But my maker was the latest for more brabo mu yonko gu so kai was say ne say open 1 2 3 seater L shape sofa one eye no kwan so a first room kokra na eboa my office and our fee and our hotel or bright or kwan so latest from the waji atum say wa brabo mu yonko free titi nti eba say open sofa either 1 seater 2 seaters or 3 seaters no and ko hwe baby akohwe latest foam na only one into sa yonko latest foam waji atum say wa brabo mu yonko your partner for life na makoso atwa adwene say Ecobank Express Point Agency Banking no eguso no de ye say allow ma access to basic banking services across the country de ye no tie eno achikwa no obetima enjoy Ecobank Express Point service after banking hours including weekends and even holidays aha na mani e de no including weekends and afi holidays and kasa. It is a biana person located Ecobank Express Point Ben Wopa. Your selected shops be pharmacies, be grocery shops, ECG vendor points be and a mobile money merchant locations be able to me and one of this man. My main can show Kwa before so bit my part of our express points no. You can open an instant Ecobank Express account, deposit and withdraw cash from your Ecobank accounts, redeem e-tokens, receive international remittances through Rapid Transfer, Western Union, Rail or Vigo and Unity Link. Well, so Open Express Point be simply dial *770#. Now I select 8 for Express Locator. Now I select region. Enter first 3 letters of your area. Now if you watch I say Udidja and no Ecobank. Ujitum say bank papa and no. You remember back Benis na yen try en common so enti na wan kasa brabo na oye lesbian na obono na eti osen.
Oh me woman de na me okay. Me woman de na me okay cause na I was scared of getting pregnant at that time. Enti me woman na me okay. Cause na like me friends bebre na kasa no ena o share what was going on now. Girl behind saying at that stage na boy na abandon. So I didn't want to.
Okay, so amongst the reason about Konene say na person obe get pregnant. Because at that point in time no obabia within that age category no onyimpe na wako yego. Okay. There's an age category ben from 15 to 20 as I can as from 20 to 30 and at time and I always experience that and say one of the reasons for being part of it was that at that point you be anima na is okuyego at age ben no.
Oh, when I entered into senior high school 15
no.
Yeah.
Okay, so who enter now unya sa mindset na apart from yin to go DMBM anana e Kenya o say rem trem sa DMBM.
Oh, apart from that, there's no reason.
Say na unya achede.
Oh, na me ya achede cause first girl no na like my family was scanty. Oba or mommy is kakakra.
O ma osika. Empedu do say na mushia na wotwe na busumi.
Oh, like no different school na unless say your makwan and I say your mammy tema.
In a month na mutimi da say.
Oh, in a month. Dear,
are you at Washington honey? In a month na mutimi da empedu do say.
Oh, in a month there ya dive school Saturdays na woman na I mean
4 Saturdays.
Yeah.
Na mutimi da. 4 times a month.
Yeah.
I wanna say you wadwuma in a month no me mende woman nyina no mo ne mo da. Na normal days in the akoye phone and na.
Yeah. Normal our campus one there normal days in there say you go school. You go class.
It mo pon aduna munye love your phone should be.
Yeah, me pon school, your pon school no there like as at that time na me use phone e wo fear unless say your makwan na your coffee and you be having sex conversation.
I see. But normally be one so multimity chiche mo apart from sika na yes e bitimi ma car, e bitimi ma dan, e bitimi ma store.
That was who said me we SS no. Now I was still under my mother. I made change and make call tertiary. Until me find from 211 I me SS no 12, 13 and sana those 2 years na me nyo bia any 9 year until say me call poly 2013, 14.
Now how do they locate you? No one locate you.
Oh, like I was having
obechem location but eno sewa wa homano so eno sewa de ono odaso ye lesbian eno sewa de osyo onfa ho yenkyere ba bi owo nyina no owo emse osi Trasako East Legon Trasako East Legon area. Well eno sewa ma me na se waje brese on ye kasa na de ntia ye frɛ on se unua ba ko ha de wo ne waje gina mu kese a wo ye no ose ono de watwe ne ho afrim na mebusa nsɛmfo amiensa pɛ. At what age ana ado ho ko shemu ana nipekuo ben ana mo yesa adwuma a wo ye bi ana de nti na osu se ye encourage masa de we koso ne ma me say bo am na yi anoma me.
Okay, me da say the medical first one is say maybe 14 years in a room na madam for be free South Africa ba Ghana enti menene enane nantia na or catch me say one thing about baby and I'm first you know I'm for baby and myself na at the age of teens or manyem near the into catch me says me yes I will get my sexual satisfaction but me and I'm sure pregnancy now I call terminate and I saw call abort it into me who say a fine idea and yes my dream come and yes say be a me for and yes say be a baby hammy mommy join it but reason kahono and my yes sorty because so obenya or feelings are not very satisfied without being getting to any pregnancy and not anything because young can say you saying to go to your bonesa and not crying cause only ni pano akoda mono da oyem onye boni bia na so akoyi negu and not the onye boni but oju oni obi obenya wa hoto de boni
as obenya feeling de
yes and you not the refuse say you're wrong.
I see but wo ayonko fire only unyama fa awoye bay and my type of ma be na no mudi say agro no
many prominent people because obi o
central for money be count
abebre obi o cha movie obi o horror to jom obi o info the last time one person be may come into contact no yeah or say lawyer yes or no or say I know my make of share ne ho ne you know I'm out for I just say It's about time. I think they say accept it. Well, a human right. Obi ane ne lifestyle. Obi dating be my GT or 4 or 5. You who say ne de she, but obi ne yanko ba no obi nya ne feelings or better ne ho say. And one thing is a broken heart in me. On that when you say only or yanko ba or you're very plain to you. Into or crash on another person. About back no be catch or say Charlie. When I'm in home, and me honey saying, Kaynya cry, she and yet or someone baby. If you agree or be if you don't agree or be how many guys and no be kakushia different lady or be catch ne partner say, Makuhu be me feel say ne niye me fe, ne honey me fe, na suye me fe, inti many ne beka on high on beka.
I see. In
the world of those things, you feel loved, you feel protected, and you feel secure as well. Secure in the first place. Oh, time be hygienic. Oh, do honey. Sometimes it'll be out there or now me say, don't you know what you're moving? No, but what is your who yeah, but now will be crab bound chain. Wow, yeah, all these assessments. Oh, yeah, very nice. You looking great. You see that thing. So,
now,
I think.
Wadaruma, what you see me say the boy kakra. Enti, who know your bar na say, oh, your bemano.
Maybe your bar. But the thing is, yes, it are. Means me to my bema.
Enti, escafone was cat. Escafone ne memano.
What you say? Yes. But the thing is, once you are into it, you'll be someone to show love because me started and I miss you. But me dribble be me try call secondary school, me call tertiary, all these things no. It be who say a different perception and I me sopan and I me jing. But you see there, oh yeah, okay, because you know your left from right. And just my bottom and just me okay. The only thing here, Obi wa say, "Mom border one na munye ya de na mumpa out." Yeah, accept it. Ya wo Ghana say, "Someone could be breshe," but oko intervene is answer what she overka say because it's not legalized. So if the legal is yes, sure. So we ever say in
I see, but you know, so I'm musa I wow for ya where the way.
Obi anymore na make me deny. Obi tekra ya. Ehua me deny debia but me hune say I am a lifestyle. Eti Becca say cope boy, you know there are different. Obi before so afi enti obehu yenyan be or my bisexual because of community and some more can come for say almost more koyenti.
I see. Enti ya kasai de old ye surely say on a man who are bema be him sanity.
No, I don't do me nya boy cry no. Me who say and yet to say the almost can say because it was out of curiosity, you know, make of a boyfriend because I wanted to know why they are saying sir and Barney and buy Jimmy no more for but onya bema obey okay any DNA class like if he tested the dick obey fine but you see that Charlie it's not like that.
Oko social media be say it's very annoying to be maunya kasana very very annoying
like seriously oh say they are omoye me who omoye sanko for na ni tiema any pan to me ti omo ho ase annoying say oh the sunny panel or 5 boyfriends what she should date a mom and anya annoying and no quite time aside konyimu ya oh call doctor or doctor for the bister na mame and no quite your bote munjai is manyan too and the doctor be audi kind of kasai apart from religion and kobe misusu yemu hu me say agituma nke it has to be part of the system. It's a very norm.
Say obani oba edano.
Yes, other countries they've accepted it and they are living peacefully. And then I just say don't just say, okay, didn't see a more per se, you better to say a bonnet, right? Now, who got baby, no do young concert, and when you're bonnet, when you be a conium, on wire, what could you be, and your bonnet? Into bonnet be a grade A, grade B to F and NASA then. Che, Moonjai say, dear, you say a spiritual attack, and you then you anyway. It's not spiritual attack, it will be a Jumudaho. And not the yes, sir.
Now, you know, obviously, Musa said, now, our phone, I don't know, so the catch room said, the okay, one more would Papa, our phone to
say, Ghana for an answer about ye to Sabana, said, you didn't choose to send a free her. Say, Ghana no air back, he said, so obey to my star, and they say, drink responsibly. And to say, and maybe between about the tire, say, you can do that whilst you are 18 and above or 16 and above. That I will let my parents know. But because, say, to say, you know, I'm going to say, you know, type of say, papa, the same thing. And she said, Ghana, baby, too moody. Oh, why not? My boys, the make a almost on Montemas, and I can say. And then I'm for a repair my issue.
Okay. Eno se wan pacho wadaro majina sumni di ba koma me na unya me se no so bibi obeka kire Benny so ha me nim se Benny be busa asemba ko na me bia na obeka bibi achewa di me di ba ko pe jina so Benny what unya no wo de wo ye ex and they on they were still in it what reasons in tia osusu se ehwe ne di hunkomo o bibi bisa na obi ka kire no anse na de nkomo na ba we uni bibi abisa no okay eno ma me na se wo is lego haya idea em se for journey e kan say tigo be follow up na watimi anya kokuduro se de bia enu abaya na so abedi nkomo ha life
the only time I met me aba ho feel when I veja to ye legalize ya mbe hu meni watimi kwa me ba bia me partner ne be bold enough aka me ho I legalize it yeah forget it because Ghana no feel say or my treating it to say HIV. I say oh yeah the 25 it's bad. Yeah and pension share and your freedom of anything. They should give us chance.
Na enti mo de mo woda o.
Yeah dey.
Mo woda.
Oh no bi wo kwa na akote ne back ne. Yan si ekita akoma pa. Enti obi kote ne back na. Ro ka ko fa na tetu.
Enti mo de mo woda.
Say, yes, you but working, but yeah, adopted a year. Shunk and yeah, I want no. And you be only be edgy down, also I want the van or no.
Jim FM.
And so was a see me producer catch him say, O sa kwa sorry, Dimubi wo is legona, oka no.
Metonium cry, yeah.
Otojuma so.
Tina me di can say. Ye kase obi ye vonia wonefo no enye ade na ye pay attention to that homosexuality say no kwa fe na ye boni o kodi obi hu to obi ti asore dem mo obi di one shoe abasa oni na down for the bi o ka ho asem eye boni pa ichi ade na ye hye ye ni pese eye free say ye anti as they say eye human right obi ane ne lifestyle de di e be ye no kwa say no pe na ye boni Pecha, me sure say yes, sir.
Many but nipa miensa. Bako dear say, oh, you're crazy. Bako says a total foolishness. Bako say, men pamo creme free my home so. Ufi say omono.
Because say, omonya tolerance. And now, feel so musu siemu. I did be omo yen kwane right. Sanko for no more mobo. Because, no de tea, and nipa bed your. Oh, feel so the you're right to change. Nina, these are the things that Emma Malcolm to me show up. Until I am a member to my studio because Mrs. Migenipa Udi Mateme be coming. The fact is, I develop a task and just say, we can't say my enchine. Jane Pane Paria, I say, we mean insurance and send be or moke catch me. Until Bahami.
Hey, now, what my crime home ya, because almost now what do you feel say?
As if you're more 25.
25. You are kushi kumano the other bay say only when your man the begorosa.
Oh, it's I say the good. I said, they ma campo or person or you don't see a bibia. Is the only thing I say, ain't your dick in the cockle room. The same thing in your feelings. Name my own conya unwanted pregnancy.
I see. Sisi akwada me producer say ayi wa ma ben pa o me say mo ba ko bi a mo de fam mase mo amodi se adwuma na I say be man
Vibrator.
Your friend say vibrator. Now we adwuma fi say ni.
Me see na me do 14 so calculate.
And I say what 25. Enti ma ano ne omonsa de bia fa wase pa.
Oh, sir, me faithful. Until some new baby die, no. And you'll be anything. The fact is that the sex and relationship. Obi be dated 10 years and son of Makaso Moko, right? Obi be dated 2 years. Obi be dated 6 months. Into the same thing, I think, sir, it's about time, say, then you dedicate yourself to one person. That is be our next.
Well, manya lots of text messages. Mema do dona so you single on person you free sa how no. It one person
no mo boa. Enye real. Mo be yo, you know be you. Bedroom maybe no. And this thing, the moment you feel lonely, you know, then you think about it again. I tried to make that several times, but I've realized a state of me nature.
What try sen ka only mema be two and mo ne mo sha emfa. Obi si bo wa so ne empam free aso ho no.
Nka ono boni a wa ye no koyigu ye no wa koka chere de so fa me yapam no.
Eti o ba ko so akoto aso ko se da bia.
Tell said you know first of bija sorry no so be get concern. No wajai 19 chicha no wajai on ware ya so o chempna no wajai obeye gu no yenyina ye everne so na say ye jitu na fe menya minika ene na tna ya ndi antu na fe meko bebi fofo na makobo me pra na me miaje a me she.
Oh well the asa ha me kakra ne say o various texts na mo say ye mompae ma na
spiritual Charlie this thing and America na enti obi di konkonsa spiritual na ma na ye ana obi e ka say anti na America na ade no omo empe obi ani ji o enti omo pe ni je enti one omo nya je pe say spiritual but
hey, I do mean takrad we account. Or say she's a devil. Stop talking to her, please. Stop.
What you say? Anti Simon Becker. Eva only say or no could be concern or could be concern a devil. Wama I think your kind to a man in navy any of you to ever and no call your devil chain the year or no rating a bonnet, the air bonnet. Charlie. No narrating it 1 year. No, your devil change. Yeah.
I see. Nti be man no bo akonhoma no ba so benis. So the hunjiri we say we dey say. Yeah, but Mr. Be man no bo akonhoma no. Oya say the yen meme ye na say opia.
No card there. One thing say we need more. And you want to. And remember opposite sex they no want. But when you are with a same partner, for the matter of fact, being with a lesbian or you would need, because our bro wants to know so, and you want to make a community. What I say. So,
so it's not just about the wants; it's about the needs.
Exactly.
Remember the wants, no?
Yeah. Oba, when you say you change with 2 points. Oh, then they want to do saying, oh no, what can't you say good night, you know? No, no, for Chelo club. But we or say good night. She means it. She'll let you know her whereabouts. Everything. Or sister, or you playing. And Bawa, but so that feeling, you know, carry the relationship. With regards, say, what this guy sister or you gamer. Yeah.
Hey. Then the people been free some margin in you.
And I make an almost a genius because to me as a few beer, meaning come back to your politics. It be no, Omoko for politics, Omoko whatever channel, and see, only be a doing a pa, no a bay of council.
And so I mean we with this one cry. Tiwi, Alice, Bridget, Quason say, please don't encourage this. It's not good to discuss such topics on air to avoid innocent children falling victims. Now, children may be one more innocent, Anna.
And then Americano, a Codain Americano, Obian say, Wina Maya, a babuami, but society. And no, I say I'm also big deal. Who won't say, Wakoye, what did memory now Krakota, what couldn't you say? Abra at the fourth of it to me, and money saying, because you're watching feelings is there, we any party. Now, Mojani blue, Mojani in Gumuno. Feelings is there, a state of mind, and yeah. Influence there will be over an agent to be answer no be to society say media say not in you know will carry the into to DHA. There were more parties the Ghana, so I didn't know which is a party any party in a media.
All right.
Will carry
we know now Unyaba Benis on watching with him. That's any also with matching with him.
And American say a be on one thing. A bit my say. Baby or tino, and answer then also and onye very focused on the no or ma ebia asin tino. Mamini bisa na mana, but beshim no, bedroom maybe no, obemu said the no near. I have go back and no call any time spent, Charlie.
All right, so I said no. I was no. One no place you say no.
Like say in painful say like a futu we and sakranimpa.
Yeah.
I just say so
yeah.
Intimino okot na the last one.
For fashion was not bebwana busa na no ntimi was with you.
Yes, a futu we and sakranimpa. Nti mimi say no last girl no dem nkode me call okot ni. Say man twe me ho anka I wouldn't know what will happen. Like to say, Omoka say me sacrificing my brother na before I'm a full member. That is when my fame will start coming. That is why I will start getting money, my car, my houses and everything. But me who say enye. Into me obiane bonia odibiano uncle swanye. But that could be or like in social be better a while between with him.
Won't you say you patch of my main cousin your cousin? Enye lesbian is the Nintina or Koya code. Or being joining because me that is all this asking me but you two different things. Say nuntia my dear, forget it. And yeah nunti because or being joining or being different or because or you're single or a virgin for that part of fact. Now so or not Fisiano or pay fame into honor the coin you so Equacoye then Equacoye. May and fast any money you boom say. Oh yeah, ye nintina koye. If you're tiani, if I know no. Or joining those things and all the way. Sometimes on they be meeting fans and na e could do sabrina. I see me repeat me so me say Tina obi akase because of any sexual ina onya ninti so on koye or kota na vivi. It's different. Or yes sir nipa na ko tuning no or all called dida and okoye o perfume and then go for be tujum onye bi or a member no ma worry no mo tujum no zone bi na or na freemason so and she say e na start there men find joining it could be so a lesbian or all called and not say or you but yes say okoye lesbian na oko joining all called and then kwada person or being or courses or joining all called straight up into me pacho sadene there. Honestly, me take her. Then you'll be see yan ho yan de. Me something na because a genuine. Yeah, quite very fine.
I see.
Just say uncle Joe.
You know, say what? Yeah, the basic hana a lot of your text messages by Brinton. You know, intimate to us. Me jiri se kojo for Johnny Tigo baby. Kofa free biano. It's legal no. Yeah, babe srao. Mutiasa, we are normal human beings.
Yeah, normal human beings.
Hey, what the hell?
Jim FM.
We are sure Venice or two are a very beautiful girl.
Yeah.
What I say? One thing is of your horse, yeah, one boy, horse, and yes, you know, yes, sir. So we said, Boom, ya, me, Chianco di Luchi. What I say? A fine girl. And see, and not there. Please.
And I been more on so a been more on so like and Bema do be also a mono leading into sad things, you know.
Exactly.
Yes, and Bema be no more like most of my friends are not many or more in like because of disappointment in like or more a way intimate me I say
papa.
Baby or more papa like almost fine like they treat us anyhow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm treating anyhow. Only me or hona like when we say different girl aircon. I better see different girl. I then girl no con your me mini biana. Aha, and I'm sometimes I'm LED into
that. Also, afraid the brand make a choice of a go back. Won't you say?
On Castle back. Also on come back. Okay, Mamma, that's it. I said that's a piece also this or share this one. I remember back to Benison, but Tasty Tom, the one Caswa Jatum say is enriched tomato mixer, airborne constant Kusakra. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mixer is the strength comes from within. And Janibia, we be tomato paste. It should be Tasty Tom and rich tomato paste. Now, if you make some cows, Beka MTN Momo Busukono, keep building your accounts. I check this from go on ma Ubenya from now till the end of August. Make sure say double up your accounts, building up your points. Now when you're exciting prices, it says Samsung smart TVs and the ekikakikam. Anna make koso account say onum awake purified drinking water no na obwa ma kolebu National Cardiothoracic Center no so no one so ye gina omo national show mo kina ye so far unyini but the tier no over 1 million cities and awake purified drinking water Jumekono Casapreco Company Limited wanna donate ediama National Cardiothoracic Center ewo kolebu inti apart from saying Papa no, yes, they boy a wedding course until join that family of awake purified drinking water. ISO certified company. Dodo Lankasa the phrase 0262 351251. Now, if you want Freddy's Corner. Freddy's Corner. And I say home appliances neighbor team Nasco, Samsung, TCL, NS Skywest, any the Kakawina. And what you say, you have a sort of fridge and air conditioner, a mobile phone, laptop, printers, gas cookers, home theaters, and stabilizers, and free microwaves, CCTV cameras, and water dispensers, washing machines. Baby, any who I say apart from Freddy's Corner, Okoa, one by Bob Quantum Cosocran. For the Freddy's Corner, na one so ntimi mu na saa de ayekoda na yina no wonu enyin fru so prekope frɛ one wo 0544959195 ana 0207937323 na ne won ntimi enkasa ana bio Star Assurance Zugusu kai we say ade ba ko ehia kese pa ne say bribia da hu hia pa yie se chale se opese wo bambo ewie na edimu daachi paade a ehye sunko a wonde agu akwan mu no se okope won kira kwan na one won din kita ho Grace Homeopathic Clinic nso catch say yade bia akodura obia no na afi asie obia no ebra oba Grace no na Grace ne kasa kiro na through homeopathy no unya oyare sa okwanso nkoso kra ade ba konso ekoso Grace Homeopathic Clinic no you don't pay for general consulting, laboratory service, general body scan, physiotherapy and dietary counseling inti papa o wana kira kwan ye Madina catch about last stop for 055618166 and 0200 067500 mamisi subi 0200 067500 and 055618166 na timini won eni nkita ma membra back to Benis ono kane no no ye ene de onye ana yenu aba enu se wade odaso ginem ono so abeka se what yenu se wan komo awie Benis dia na abeka ho
me say sisi ana me free money there I want to create a foundation, Benis Foundation. Now I'll go to schools to advocate against lesbianism. Yeah, I was saying my young ones no bano omuhu effect of being a lesbian.
Enye papa. Yeah,
enye papa. enye na enchenche bia so wona fe men ka say like what ho unya boyfriend ti ube kwa join sa we no every obia wo time ayankopon ahihia ama no yeah that is what I would say.
Okay, into the crack no dia na be catch awfo ne as we unya be kwa so to jom asori o so on me chono so kwa so to jom asori and watch say akoma say ni yin say yin go de ne nka empare no ene mema so yen kan kure ne sisa magu ye so no on pesa ha no de ne obekwa kofa sa kwa no so no so
oh and me catch no say like advice am de be man say like on bo modern onye na dwen mu ye on si na dwen pi na on film because when you know say if you don't tell yourself say I will come out and you will still be in it
so
me catch me who say like me jai but who to me yebo no ka say no this thing dey me jai nti me nya boyfriend no
o say nya honhom asem
ono minim say no nya honhom asem nti like chese wa sheda nti na me ka say afu to be like me
futu nsacheni
pagise nsɔhwɛ nti bia na ɔno ɔnam sa no nhia nsɔhwɛ bia nti me meka chente onkoso ano ye nsɔhwɛ ne ba no abɛtwe no
I see. Yeah. I would love saying kebedi komodo do na brain no yeah that's Benis NH Ngoa. I'm sure say koju for join Tigo ebre se me be saba na hwe se o foundation no kure kwemu what me ate won afi mu a obo amanfo so mo free sat together that's it like go enjoy your you say that you are open for any guy or serious bia
oh my open for any guy o cramp no ba me
aywa but make headlines no obi wa follow aywa we never follow ko there why all right, so on the wings of the great team and the big team, Akiti and Nambebiao, and then Iowa, Hassan, Tigo, and the big man himself, Kojo Fojo Listo, our friend 0277, on Fada, I just 020 and 0243. Iowa Nobano John Jeffrey saying, aha, hey, Osikoko, that's a blue, wow, oh, Mama, your bar. I see. And DJ Mu DJ Awana. It's a holiday. Pamcho mo enjoy. Makes reaction on social media. Tigo Ubo Tinko based on procreation. Kojo for just no. I say man, I do man. And you say was no, you hypocrites, you cowards. I said no. I feel so better to see. Oh dear. Kashen kodu emasumu nuda. Or say toa na bo say yes. So na ya. Me do man hene cup na santi. Na me the church na. The big man himself, Philip Osebunsu Obi, ever be join this fantastic team. Whilst I dodge to Bedroom, and then you meet me on Bedroom on Adom TV, multi TV show. Yeah, Dobibia, take care and make sure say you do what is right, especially Ghana.